manually triggering the autofocus. That's why it's working at all. If I don't manually trigger by pressing shutter button, it doesn't focus. Like if I just place the lens here, it doesn't move at all. And as soon as I have pressed the shutter button, it's gonna work like this. Yep. Now let's test the same thing with the Sigma lens, with the kit lens on the camera. I'm gonna have press the shutter button to focus. There you go. And move it away. Move it back without touching the shutter button. It's gonna focus. Maybe, no, nothing. It's not doing anything. It's not focusing at all. Okay, I'm gonna have pressed the shutter button, and we're focused. Now remove it, have press, put it back, have press, remove, have press, put it back, have press. There you go. So yeah. That's Micro Four Thirds autofocus system for you. Panasonic really should work on their autofocus system, because this is pretty terrible autofocus. It's semi-autofocus, I would say. You have to pull the trigger in order for it to focus. Okay, let's test in selfie mode. Touch and focus, I think I disabled that. What if I move away from the camera? I move back. It locks onto me very easily. Background and me. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Do I have to be the center of the frame? Maybe. Move away. Move back. Move away. Focus on me more effectively. Maybe because I registered my face. So the camera memorized my face. Okay. Which is good for vlogging. At least we have that going for us. But I kind of have to be in the center of the frame. What if I move? What if I appear at the corner of the frame? Will it recognize me? It doesn't. But it doesn't focus on me now. What if I expand the focus points and make it larger? Make it cover the entire frame. What now? Will it focus on my face now? Still doesn't. What if I have pressed the shutter button? No, it focuses on the background, unfortunately. Okay, move a little bit towards center. Okay, now it's working. So it doesn't work here. I have to be here for it to recognize me. Let's try again. Focus on the background. And I'm gonna appear. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm not in focus. I've pressed the shutter button. Not really working. Yeah, it's really unreliable. Unreliable it is. Oh well. At least it works when you hold like this, like when you're vlogging, at least. I guess when you're in the center of the frame, it works as it is intended to be. Well. It's fine. It's okay. We have a flip out screen. We know if it's in focus or not. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna try the same thing but with a Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens. So right now it's not focusing on me. It's not focusing. Oh, there you go. Okay. And let's move away. Focus on the background. Move back. I know that nobody used this lens to vlog, but just want to test the autofocus. when there's a human face. I mean, it doesn't focus on the lens automatically, but what happens if you put my face in front of it? It still doesn't focus. You still have to press the shutter button, which is a huge disappointment. Yeah, now it grabs on focus. Alright, move away. And move back. Very slowly. Very slow autofocus. Move away. And come back. This is without pressing a shutter button. Then next we're gonna test with pressing shutter button. Move away. Pressing shutter button. Move back. Pressing shutter button. It's faster, definitely. Background. Foreground, and background, foreground. Yeah, definitely faster. But isn't that just annoying? Like you have to press the shutter button for it to focus at all. Okay. Cool. Oh. I extend my arm and I'm out of focus. Okay, found me again. Good. That's good.